While most cryptographic forms of money are known to be unpredictable, thus individuals dread exchanging them. Notwithstanding, the crypto market has been a consistent fascination with dealers, individual financial backers, and institutional financial backers for a long while, and all the more critically so in the pandemic situation. The credit should be given to the advertised assumptions from government-issued types of money that couldn't go the distance, going against the norm, displaying colossal center to long-haul gains. Digital forms of money have shown an outstandingly considerable cost development. Allow us to break down the ongoing subtleties of Binance Coin and comprehend the Binance Coin cost expectation for what's in store. History of Binance Coin. Separately recorded on the Binance trade stage. The Binance Coin is the computerized resource exchanging with the BNB image, laid out in 2017 and supported by the logical calculation and vigorous innovation called blockchain. BNB runs on Ethereum and right now runs on ERC20 Ethereum. The whole environment is planned such that it can uphold various utilities like exchanging charges, trades expenses, posting expenses, and so forth. Aside from facilitating its local coin, it offers Binance Chain, Binance Brilliant Chain, Binance Foundation, Trust Wallet, Binance Exploration, and substantially more. The presentation of the Binance Shrewd Chain has decidedly affected the Binance Coin cost. The Binance Coin likewise goes about as a utility token to pay exchange charges. Today, Binance holds direct contest with numerous other crypto trades. The essential target with which the pioneer behind Binance Trade, Changpeng Zhao, and prime supporter Roger Wang began this drive was to kill different issues connected with exchanging that were available in the digital currency market. The organizers decisively executed the far-located vision for Binance Coin. And today Binance rivals a few other digital currency trades. In light of economic situations and inner gamble the board, Binance Credits offers a scope of choices for upheld crypto resources. Binance Coin reception and innovation. Various variables make Binance famous, and the most significant is that it holds 1 billion exchanging volumes on a cycle-o'clock premise. The eventual fate of Binance appears to hold rewarding conceivable outcomes. The NB will be scorched in a precise stage-wise cycle to bring strength and keep away from unexpected market vacillation. With BNB soaring to its true capacity, its underlying coin offering of 100 million met with thundering progress in July 2017 and raised $15 million. The assets raised further increased the biological system, designating a huge piece for showcasing drives. This ambitious endeavor for new businesses gives them a potential chance to get recorded on this raised platform. Another component that makes BNB remarkable and a cynosure for mass reception is the upside of between tradability for other computerized resources. BNB can be utilized to pay Binance's 0.1% per exchange expense expansion to its withdrawal charge, which is charged when clients move their cryptographic forms of money from the trade to a confidential wallet. Binance Coin specialized investigation. Security is an integral part of BNB since it works on Ethereum blockchain. The Binance Coin cost has significantly increased in esteem in the beyond couple of months, exchanging as the most sultry resource. Individuals have high expectations for the token, and the Binance Coin cost has even denoted a dive as of now. The BNB cost was adjusted to $310.45, and the market capitalization of the Binance Coin is $46,652,511,533. Binance sent off the Binance Savvy Chain environment in April 2019. With Binance DEX as the principal administration, the DPoS controls the BNB blockchain with an agreement of 11 hubs coming to decentralization through PBFT. It even sent off the BNB ERC20 mainnet trade in 2019. The new vast cost crash additionally influences Binance Coin, and the impending fresh insight about unions and associations for Binance will get its energy in the close to term. In light of the new declarations, the send-off of the world's most famous organized NFT commercial centers, and substantially more, the general Binance biological system stamped colossal development. This year, BNB will reinforce its NFT environment by coordinating with fundamental joint efforts and inviting more clients to the consistently growing metaverse. The previously mentioned changes could get a kick in the Binance cost by bulls to take it to $500 toward the following year's end. Financial backers may likewise get the advantage of a rebate on their exchanging utilizing Binance to pay for trade expenses. According to our specialized investigation for opposition level and backing level, the qualities for the main obstruction level and backing levels are $304.40 and $183.10 individually. The coin's ongoing cost is around $289.13, and the Binance Coin cost estimate expects a drawn-out bull run, making the token a beneficial venture choice. Binance Coin Value Forecast 2023, as indicated by Binance Coin Cost Expectations. The fate of BNB is reliant upon the development of the Binance trade stage. Furthermore, according to the ongoing situation, Binance Coin's future looks splendid, which could prompt costs to new highs. Also, thus according to our BNB cost forecast, the BNB cost could cross $510 toward the finish of 2023. Binance Coin Value Expectation 2024. The BNB tokens reflect forward movement. Our BNB cost figure predicts the Binance Coin cost could stretch around $485 toward the finish of 2024, with a normal least exchanging cost to hit $420 and a most extreme cost of $550. Binance Coin Value Expectation 2025. Our Binance Coin cost expectation for 2025 recommends that the cost of the BNB token could record huge development toward the finish of 2025. The Binance Coin cost is determined to wait around a most extreme worth of $590. Binance Coin Value Forecast 2026. Moving from a base worth of $550, Binance Coin is anticipated to reach $650 toward the finish of 2026 according to our BNB cost estimate. In any case, the Binance Coin cost is supposed to develop hugely from the outset of February. A critical way to deal with BNB coin value expectation is that the token might spin around $600 toward the finish of 2026. Binance Coin Value Expectation 2027. In light of all the examination, we expect that the Binance Coin's cost will see a gigantic flood alongside its interest in the crypto market. The greatest future cost might be around $720 with a base worth of $610 in 2027. While the typical worth of the token might spin around $665. Binance Coin Value Forecast 2028. Purchasing Binance Coin at the ongoing cost will give you tremendous returns according to our BNB long-haul cost expectation. The greatest and least costs expected for the year are $850 and $740 individually. Simultaneously, the typical cost for the year might be around $795. BNB Coin Value Forecast 2029. In view of our BNB cost expectation, the base incentive for the year 2029 might be $830, while the potential high might be $980 with a typical cost of $905. The BNB costs are supposed to ascend by 18% in the year 2029. Binance Coin Value Expectation 2030. As per BNB Cost Expectation 2030, the future digital money cost will exchange at a normal of $1,160 consistently. The Binance Coin figure demonstrates the long-haul procuring capability of the Binance Coin to scale to the greatest cost of $1,300 by December 2030, making BNB crypto a wise interest from now on. Instability is a significant quality of digital currencies, and Binance Coin is no exemption, all things considered. With a great deal of potential displayed over a shorter period of time, value investigation and specialized examination, let us hear what specialists need to say regarding Binance Coin cost forecast. Binance Coin Expectation 2023 expects the most extreme cost of BNB will stretch around $648.13, and the normal least cost will hit a $515.63 low by May 2023. The Binance Coin cost forecast 2023